the sidelines of your activities with me via heavy rain accompanied by strong wind. Hit Sukaraja District, Tasikmalaya, Regency, West Java Friday evening. As a result, a number of houses were damaged due to being hit by a falling tree. There are our colleagues who are ready to explore this news.
Okay viewers, we are now at the location and currently evacuation trees that have fallen on residents in Cimanggu village. Now we are with Mr. Jaino.
Start of the incident was caused by rain accompanied by strong winds that suddenly appeared, causing a tree to fall and blocking traffic way Sukaraja, Cibalanani, and distorted traffic from both directions to the and Menuju Batu.
Okay, thank you. We will continue with Miss Ayu and Miss Sarah.
There were the house of the flow in little on of the house. At the hand, the wind and rain were strong. I left.
Thank you to Miss Sarah and Miss Ayu. That's all the news we are can confirm. We will turn to our presenter.
Thank you to our reporter and thank you for listening us.